What's up, guys? Mike Puma here with another Marketing Monday. So in this very quick tutorial, I'm going to use Zoom here to show you how I, as an agent, would use this tool right here along with Calendly to start allowing my customers, potential customers, to book appointments with me all virtually and 100% for free. Okay, so hope this helps, and I hope you guys are using this to set appointments with your customers. So here we go. All right, so here's how easy this is. We're going to go ahead and go to Calendly.com. This is a free app. You can set up your account. If you have not done so already, I highly suggest doing it. You'll just come here and click Get Started for free. I've already done that, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. Okay, so once I'm in here, all you're going to do is create a new event type. And when I do that, I have the option to make it a group or a one-on-one. So for the purposes of this screen share, we're going to go ahead and create a one-on-one. Then I'm going to name my event. So I'm just going to do 15-minute client consultation. And I can set a location. And so I'm going to go ahead and click Zoom. And you have the option to integrate your Zoom right here. If for some reason you have issues doing that, you can also just come and copy your Zoom room in here. So I'm going to go ahead and actually pull up my Zoom information. Okay, so I'm going to copy my Zoom link here, and I can paste my Zoom info right here. So that's my personal Zoom meeting. And like I said, you can integrate directly into Zoom right here. You just follow those steps. So now we've got our 15-minute client consultation. I'm going to click Next. And here I can pick how long do I want the meeting to be. I can do 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or I can make it custom. I'm just going to do 15-minute intervals. And I can control how often I want this event to run, but I also can set my schedule. Okay, so as an example, I can come in here and select the date and time that I want to be available. So I can edit this down and say, okay, I want it to be available between 9 a.m. and 11, let's just do 11:30. I'm going to slide to 11:30 a.m. set. And then I can, down here, you'll see apply to just this day or any other day. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and add another interval, and then I'm going to say I can also be available between 2 and 4:30 p.m. Okay. And so now that I've got this, and guys, this could be anything you want. I'm just giving you an example. You wanna set time aside to be able to have these Zoom meetings and conversations with your client. So that's all I'm trying to do is set intervals. And so now if I want to apply this for every day during the week, all I have to do is click this or apply to multiples and say, okay, I want this to be Monday through Friday is showing available. Okay, and I click apply. I then click next, and I can customize what questions I ask them to fill out. So their name, email, and as an example, maybe I want phone number. So I'm going to click add new question. I'm going to come down here. I'm going to click phone number, and I'm going to put phone number. Okay. And I'm going to click done, and I'm going to click apply. So now phone number's in here. If I don't like where it is, I can simply reorder any of this. Get back here. So you can reorder any of these questions you want, but now I'm going to get name, email, and any comments, as well as get them to enter their phone number. And then I'm going to hit save and close. I can customize the notifications, but essentially what's going to happen here is as soon as that someone fills this out, one of my clients or potential clients fills this out, they're going to get an email confirmation as well as a calendar invite for the date and time that they chose, as well as I'm going to get notified and get it put on my calendar as well. Okay, but you can customize a bunch of reminders. You can even add text reminders in here. So I can go ahead and turn that on. I'm sorry, that's a pro feature. So if you want to pay for it, you can go ahead and do that if you want the paid version of Calendly. If you don't, guess you're not going to be able to do that. No worries though. The basic reminders for most of you are going to be fine. Save and close, and I can set up a confirmation page. Otherwise, it'll just go to a standardized one. But if you want to do any of that, you can do that. If you want to send them to your website or anywhere else after they do that, you can do that as well. So we're going to hit save and close. We don't need to worry about collecting any payment. This is a free meeting, and we're done. Okay. So now I'm going to go back out, and I'm going to hit this copy link button. Okay. So now, if I wanted to start using this, I can use this in a variety of ways. One would be, I just come into my client that I want to invite this to. So if I have a client one-on-one, I want to send it to him. Put Jeff here since I don't have one. I simply paste this in. Well, first I would actually write him a message. So I would say, hey Jeff, I hope you and family are doing well. I am working on connecting with each of my past clients during this crazy period just to catch up, give you an update on the value of your property, and answer any questions you may have. Pick a day and time that's convenient for you by following the link below. Okay. And I click send, and Jeff's going to get that message. Jeff can now follow that link, and he can then go book a time. We're both going to get notified, and we can do it that way. The other way I can do it is if I want to put this out to my different spheres, I could come into Canva, for example. This is a free app that I've talked a lot about. So come into Canva, create a new post, and it can be something extremely simple. And guys, the messaging could be anything, okay? Anything at all. But now what happens is I take this post, I download this, it's going to save it right to my phone. And so now here's how this works, right? This is very, very simple. Now I can come onto my platforms like Facebook, and I could go onto my business page or my personal page, doesn't matter. And so I'm actually going to go ahead and do this on my personal. I can come in here and post, schedule a time to speak with me that is convenient for you by following this link. I will answer anything real estate related that you may be asking yourself. Okay, now I can move link so that I can add in the photo. Okay, and so now when I post this, done. Now any client, anyone in my sphere who sees this can simply click this link, pick the date and time, and be done. Okay, and get scheduled with me to chat. That's how easy this is. And this could be used in email. This could be used to go into your, if you're with Central 21, to your Zap database or your CRM, pull out all your past clients, segment them, pull out your prospects, and email them and invite them to come talk to you, right? Easy as that. I don't care how you use it, but this is a tool, guys, that virtually shows that you're working, and more importantly, shows that you care about them, you want to answer their questions, but also enhancing that experience by allowing them to go in and pick a time that's convenient for them. Not saying, hey, let's talk Thursday at 10 o'clock. Let them go in and pick, right? Even though they're at home, they've got a lot going on. So that's all this is for, guys. I just want to do a quick screen share of how I would be leveraging some of the technology between Zoom and Calendly to make sure that we're interacting intelligently with our clients. So hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and we'll help in any way that we can. Stay productive, stay active. This is not a vacation, and those that work right now will come out ahead in the long run, I promise. So have fun and keep at it and stay safe and healthy, and talk to you guys soon. Thanks, guys.